little child star? You got the wrong girl.
Good luck, light catchers!
Welcome to Farlight 84.
Whoa, it started! Watch out!
We've got a bunch of quacks landing nearby!
There's a helmet here. Level 2. There's a helmet here. Level 2.
Attention.
Relax. We're all in the safe zone. Feel your heart pound with the beat. I can hear you. My ear hurts. I just shattered their shield into pieces. Time to reload. I'll be back on stage in a jiffy. Enemy down. Upgrade complete. I can play back-to-back gigs now. Feel your heart pound. Reloading. Shattered their shield into pieces. Yay! Another one out of the game. Oops, I forgot to upgrade my traits. Here you. Feel your heart
Patience,
pound
please.
with the beat. Time to reload. I'll be back on stage in a jiffy. Lightning speed reload coming up. I just shattered their shield into pieces.
Using medkit!
Using medkit.
Restoring shield!
There's a helmet here. Level 2. Oops, I forgot to upgrade my traits. There's a helmet here. Level 2.
Sponsor box is being prepared.
Check out this sponsor box with dope equipment. Enemies down. Out of the game.
You are now the Reaper.
It's my solo time
Oh,
now.
you're the Reaper! This humble ducky is in awe!
There's a helmet here. Level 2. Time for an intermission. I need to reload.
Try!
He just shattered their shield into pieces. Now that's a perfect curtain call. activated XP device here. Let's give it a try. Time to pick out a trait. Let's do this. Yeah, I leveled up. Time to rock out.
Try my rolling slam! Woo-hoo-hoo! Let's roll! You've been right into my line of fire. Reloading! Need more glass!
That's one less enemy. I just shattered their shield. Stage is set. Now let's get the crowd fired up.
Ambush! Reloading! Need more glass!
Time for an intermission. I need to reload. I got ambushed. Enemy down. Using medkit. Restoring shield.
Restoring shield.
Time to reload. I'll be back on stage in a jiffy.
We're only a few quacks from the safe zone.
Sparky here.
Airdrop delivery is underway.
I think I just heard the airdrop. Oops, I forgot to upgrade my traits. Woohoo! We've got the sponsor box all to ourselves. Let's quickly update our gear. There's an extended rifle magazine
right
here.
into my line of
Level
fire.
5.
I'm getting... I'm down! Help! A preemptive hawk from whoever sees
Heart pound at the beat. Time for an intermission. I need to reload. There's a tactical port here. Level 2. Another one low. There's a tactical core here. Level 1. Reloading. I shattered their shield into pieces. Wait. Gotta reload. Luckily, the safe zone isn't that far. Go, go, go. There's a tactical core here.
The safe zone
Level
is
2.
beginning to shrink.
Looks like we forgot to RSVP to the safe zone party. Let's sprint. I can hear you.
Oh no, we've lost a squad mate. Maybe we'll get you back in the game.
I just shattered their shield into pieces. Ha! That's one less enemy to worry about. Get off the stage quickly. It's my solo time now. Restoring shield. Time to pick out a trait. Let's do this. Sparky here.
Your duck has returned.
There's an extended rifle magazine here. Level 2. Oops, I forgot to upgrade my traits. There's an extended rifle magazine here. Level 3.
Has commenced.
Don't worry, folks. We're super close to the safe zone.
Sponsor box is being prepared.
Sponsor box is about to activate! Can't contain my quacks! We're close, but we only have 30 quacks to get to the safe zone!
10 seconds left. Luckily, the safe zone isn't that far. Go, go, go!
Alert. The safe
Time to
zone
pick out a
is beginning
trait.
to shrink.
Let's do this.
Everyone's outside the safe zone!
Here's an
This is a
expanded
quacking
jetpack.
disaster!
Level 3.
Attention. Respawn devices are being airdropped.
There's a short-range scope here. Time to pick out a trait. Let's do this. Upgrade complete. I can play back-to-back gigs now. Using medkit.
Attention. The safe zone countdown has commenced.
Luckily for us, safe zone is nearby.
Super airdrop inbound.
Here's an expanded jetpack. Level 3. Woohoo! We've got the sponsor box all ourselves. Let's quickly update our gear. Look,
Almost
a sponsor
reached
box.
the safe zone, and we've got 30 seconds left.
Start delivering
There's an
airdrops.
angled foregrip here. Level 2.
We're almost there.
Time to pick out a
10
trait.
seconds, the safe
Let's
zone
do
will
this.
shrink.
Alert. The safe zone is beginning to shrink.
Don't shrink.
Feel your heart pound with the beat.
It's not over. We'll open the squad. 3 enemy squads still in play. Careful. Things are getting real tricky.
Quack, quack, quack! Let's roll!
Loading.
Enemy
Hold on.
squad got me in their sights! Prepare for a quack-quake!
Another one down. Just as I planned. Get off the stage quick. 2 enemy squads. There's a tactical core here. Extra Level cost.
3.
Now let's get the crowd fired up.
Ow! Ambush!
I forgot to upgrade my trait. Oh, wait. Instant speed reload coming up. I can hear you. There's a tactical core here. Level 3. That's a perfect curtain call.
We're all in the next
Restoring
safe zone.
shield! Slam!
Time to reload. I'll be back on stage in a jiffy. There's a short-range scope here. Enemy down. Get off the stage quickly.